Kirk Kooks. It is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Pizza Wednesday again, so we're cooking another Turtles pizza. This one, bit weird. I think the Turtles eat this for breakfast in the episode. It is from episode 108, Michelangelo Meets Mondo Gecko. Only one topping on this one, and it's oatmeal. Hence why I seem to remember they eat it for breakfast in the episode. So we're basically just going to be making a pizza and chucking some oatmeal on it. Or maybe a pizza base, oatmeal, and then just cheese, and we'll leave this. I don't know. It's an oatmeal pizza. Let's make it, eh? Oatmeal pizza. I think it's going to be a bit boring, really. I mean, I can't imagine it's going to be. Oatmeal's pretty boring, isn't it? So it's not going to taste anything amazing. It's not going to be horrible either. There is a few on these that are a bit boring. This is one of them. But it's on the list that we're making it. Dough's ready. Let's dough. So let's get this dough stretched out. So that is ready. It's all stretched out. That's a pretty good pizza base. So I've got a pot of porridge oats. Just add water to this, leave it for a few minutes, then we can put it on this and make a oatmeal pizza. Oatmeal pizza. Okay, let's get on with it. Okay, so with this oatmeal pizza, I think we're just going to go oatmeal and cheese. We're not going to put tomato sauce on, we're just going to put the oatmeal on. Delicious. Spread that about. Nice steaming hot fresh oatmeal. Then with that I'm just going to go straight on with the cheese. And that's it. I did say a bit of a boring one. Oatmeal pizza. Ooh. Looks really good. Smells a bit weird. So there we have the cooked oatmeal pizza. Looks a lot like a white pie, but it's not going to taste anything like a white pie. We've got oatmeal underneath all that cheese. Oatmeal on pizza, which the Turtles ate for breakfast, eh? Whew. Nice cheese on this one, looks so good. But there's oatmeal underneath it. Take a slice. Smells really strong of oats. Let's give it a taste.
Nothing like a hot oatmeal pizza to start the day.
Taste of nothing. The oatmeal's not really got any flavour to it at all. Don't know what that says about them easy, ready oatmeal pot things. The oats have got no taste to it at all. Only one lot of cheese on it, just mozzarella. I mean, it's like a white pie, except if I make a white pie, I usually put a bit of ricotta on the base, a bit of mozzarella, a bit of cheddar, a bit of feta. You know, put quite a few cheeses on a white pie, not just mozzarella, because on its own, mozzarella is very bland. Which is all this is, it's just very bland pizza. It's pretty boring, really. It's oatmeal, isn't it? Just try to see if there's any noticeable patches that got really lots of oatmeal on them, but I mean we spread it out quite evenly. Let's try another bite just to make sure. No. Get a weird texture from the oats, but that's all. There's just no flavour from it. It literally just tastes like a mozzarella pizza. Yeah. Once we've finished the turtle series, we go to normal pizzas on a Pizza Wednesday. I'll make things like a white pie, and I'll show you my version of the white pie. I mean, this looks like it tastes absolutely nothing like it because it's so bland. I mean, a white pie is one of my favourite pizzas. This has got no flavour whatsoever. Oh well. Catch you next time.
Nothing like a hot oatmeal pizza to start the day.